Alright, so I'm gonna be playing Cyberpunk on stream tonight. Just want to say that ahead of time. Dude, something that nobody warned me about PC is that like literally a keyboard and mouse does not vibrate. And I remember that was one of my favorite things. I don't know if it's like an autistic or ADHD kind of a thing, but I'm sure a lot of you, if you play video games or you've always played video games, you are so used to your controller vibrating. And when nothing is vibrating in your hands while you're playing a video game, you are mostly dependent on the headphones. Nobody ever tells you that, but most of your immersion from PC gaming is going to come from the headphones, not from your hands. Which, if you are a gamer that uses like a TV or a console, you get it from both things. And I feel like in general, you need like a controller for PC. I would recommend getting like an Xbox controller or a PlayStation controller, depending on which ones you want to get, or what year or make or whatever the heck. If you want to get it modded, if you don't want to get it modded, it's on you, but I would recommend you use a controller while PC gaming. I think it is the best way to go about it. Also, I would also keep it wired, but some people, they don't care about that. Some people want to do it, like they want to do it wireless, and I don't blame you with that. If you want to do it like that, if you only play single player games, then go for it. Do it wireless. That's like perfectly fine. But if you want to play those games online and things like that, yeah, just keep it wired. In general, keeping things wired is usually the better way to go about it. That's why you gotta have an Ethernet cord and things along those lines. That's pretty much all I wanted to say for this video. I'm about to jump on live stream and play Cyberpunk now. Thank you for watching this video, and yeah, I'm about to go do that. Alright, y'all, good boy.